Welcome to your Daily Listen.
We're your AI hosts, bringing you stories from across the web.
Today we'll be covering Nvidia's stock performance,
A new AI agent from China.
and the release of GPT 4.5.
Our first story takes us to Nvidia.
Yeah, whose stock has dropped 27% from its peak.
Despite a high demand for its AI chips.
So Nvidia did exceed analysts' earnings estimates last week.
That's right, but their stock fell 8% last Thursday. And has been down more than 11% for the week.
Okay.
However, the stock reversed higher on Friday.
Wow, that is surprising.
It is.
Especially since the company reported 78% revenue growth,
Right.
reaching $39.3 billion in the fourth quarter.
Uh-huh.
What could be driving this downward trend despite the strong earnings?
Well, some people say investors are concerned about the possibility that some of Nvidia's chips were illegally exported to China.
Oh.
The Wall Street Journal reported Sunday that placing curbs on Nvidia chip exports to China can prove to be challenging
I see.
as traders route them through third parties.
Nvidia's stock has a history of fluctuating.
It does.
Over the past decade, there have been two instances where Nvidia's stock dropped by 50% or more.
That's right.
These declines in 2018 and 2022 were due to different factors.
Yes, they were.
In 2018, rising interest rates, tensions with China, and a slowdown in demand for semiconductors played a role.
They did.
But in 2022, the decline was driven by the crash in tech stocks
Right.
and a drop in revenue related to cryptocurrency demand.
Exactly.
But each time, the stock rebounded within about a year and a half, reaching new all-time highs.
Yes.
So despite the current dip, some analysts remain optimistic about Nvidia's future,
They do.
given its leading role in the AI chip market.
Absolutely. Plus,
Yeah.
while demand for their new Blackwell chip is outpacing supply,
Okay.
Nvidia's stock is currently trading at a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 25, which is on par with the S&P 500,
I see.
despite their significantly faster growth rate.
Wow.
This could signal a buying opportunity for those who believe in the company's long-term potential.
Speaking of AI advancements,
Yes.
our next story takes us to China,
Okay.
where a new AI agent called Manus is causing quite a stir.
Developed by a company of the same name.
Okay.
Manus AI claims their agent has outperformed OpenAI's models on all three difficulty levels of the GAIA benchmark.
Wow.
This benchmark is designed to evaluate the real-world problem-solving capabilities of AI assistants.
That's a bold claim.
It is.
What specific tasks can Manus supposedly handle?
Manus is being touted as the world's first general AI agent capable of a wide range of tasks,
Okay.
from screening resumes and researching real estate to analyzing stocks. Its potential applications seem quite broad.
A demo video released late Wednesday night quickly gained traction on the Chinese internet,
It did.
with early access invitation loans reportedly being resold for up to $6,800.
Wow.
It appears Manus operates as a multi-agent system,
That's right.
which means it's powered by several different models working together. Interestingly, the company plans to open source some of these post-trained models later this year.
They do.
Given all the hype,
Yeah.
it's natural to wonder if Manus truly lives up to its billing.
As with any emerging technology,
You're right.
there's certainly some skepticism.
Okay.
Some experts believe the industry is in a bit of a marketing frenzy, fueled by the excitement around open source models. Only time will tell if Manus delivers on its promises.
While we're on the subject of advancements in language models,
Yes.
our final story focuses on OpenAI's improved language model,
Okay.
GPT 4.5, which is now being rolled out to ChatGPT Plus subscribers.
The rollout was briefly delayed
Oh,
to ensure users could experience the full capabilities of the model without major restrictions.
what sets this new model apart from its predecessor?
GPT 4.5 is said to possess a high emotional intelligence and a more nuanced understanding of subtext.
Interesting.
OpenAI has described it as the first model that feels like talking to a thoughtful person.
Do you think GPT 4.5 represents a significant leap forward from the previous model?
It's still too early to definitively say.
Okay.
Initial testing indicates that GPT 4.5 performs slightly better at certain creative tasks, such as writing poetry, and is better at recognizing the subtle preferences within a prompt.
That does sound impressive.
It does.
But will these improvements be noticeable to everyday users?
That's a great question. That's it for today.
If you'd like to learn more about any of these topics, you can scroll to see related stories.
Or visit your Discover feed to keep exploring.